So here we are in the animals farm here in Pokila. This is 30 minutes away from our place, from Askula. And we have beautiful sunshine today. The sun is shining. But earlier morning, it was cloudy. But this afternoon, the sun shines brightly.
Ito ay ang tag-init ng Finland.
So we are here in the farm, animals farm. Volunteered to help the owner here. Just helping a little bit here. Ang laki ng roaster nila, oh. Ang lawak ng farm nila dito. So, ayan, ang dami nilang alpaca. And also, mga tupa. Hello. Ang laki ng farm nila. And I feel hot now because I have 2 layers of long sleeve. Because earlier morning it was cloudy and a little bit cold. But this afternoon the sun is shining and very warm outside. Ang lakas ng hangin. And we will going home na. Pupunta tayo sa Pukila? Okay. Naglalakad siya dyan, oh. Come here. Hey! Ang liit! Now, going back to Askula. But before that,
Tindahan sa Pukila.
pupunta kami sa isang store. Nakita ko yung maliit na ibon dun. Pupunta kami sa store. May bibilihin sa store ng Pukila. So, the weather today,
Ano ang bibilihin?
partly cloudy.
Ano ang bibilihin namin? Siguro yung
So, the sunshine is it was lights on and off.
that was good sausage.
Yeah, I like that sausage.
And it was not too big. It's a little bit maliit na sausage.
After naming lagay ng mga dirts doon, then we ate sausage.